Uruboya! O Chiche o tu Kellington?
We are the Bronx. Veronica knows how to dance. She likes to jump like a bunny. Sometimes nature is something you can eat or drink. Nature is always good for you, and it's always good for your families. Nature is like rain that makes the flowers grow and fruit. And we use some wood from the tree to make a house. Plants grow from the ground, and fruit comes from the ground too. And vegetables come from the ground too. My name is Ariana. And I am 6 years old. Mi familia está en Mexico. People need nature because they need more help, and they need food to eat, and they need water to drink from the rain. They build house from nature. To the second place, and it lights up. What kind of light? It's a bay in Puerto Rico, and it lights up at night. Okay, let's go and grab our school bus. Look, I see a jellyfish that is blue. I see 2 jellyfish that are blue too. There are a lot of bats. Who has the map? I have the map. Where are we? Keep on following me. We are almost there. I am hungry. My legs are hurting. We are in the rainforest. We found a parrot. I saw a monkey in the tree. I see a little parrot on the tree. Hey, can I have a flower? Yes, you can have a flower. But don't get the bellflower. The curtain is about to close. I want to buy a flower. It's really nice out here, guys. Let's go to the water. I found a horseshoe crab, guys. Be careful, it has a lot of spikes. Let's put the horseshoe crab in the water. Be careful! Mi nombre es Juliana y yo gusta animales.
And if you saw it was a shader of colors, you said, I'm messing.
Where are we going? We are at the pyramids at Mexico.
I don't like the pyramids. They're creepy.
I want to see the mummy. The mummies are crazy. I am scared for the mummy. My leg is hurting. But we need to go on Louis' birthday party. I can see the mountain. I see balloons and cake. Música. We're almost here. We finally made it for the party's over. But we need to take Paloma home. I see a cheetah running. Here is a brown cheetah. I am the cooker of the desert. I'll cook the cheetah. Run away from the cheetah. I lost the jungle. My friends need the cat that note and the map. We have to go. Hurry, let's go. No,